We interrupt your programming to inform you all bridges in the Vice City...
Tommy, it's me, Colonel Cortez. Look, senor, I believe you are a man who can get things done. So please help me. You can find me at the boat, huh?
Not so pleased with yourselves now, huh?
Whoa, watch where you're waving that thing.
No more pigeon shit on my car, eh, Tommy?
Guess not.
You're damn right. Now listen, you know who owns the fastest boat on the East Coast?
Not offhand, no.
Me! And I want it to stay that way. Every smuggler from here to Caracas has one dream, a faster boat. Rumor has it the Boatyard has just completed such a vessel for some Costa Rican dickhead. And Tommy, I want that boat. Ah, I thought I got you! Where'd you come from? Pinhead!
I think your pigeons are back.
Have you noticed how popular synthesizers are getting? It's not the same as the authority man with a ponytail singing off his trouble in a bar at the door of a fair maiden's house. But it is not far short. See what you think of Mr. John Walker.
Somebody, call the cops! Suspect on foot.